If you've ever spent serious money on cookware only to end up with uneven heating, food sticking in random spots, or a pan that looks premium but cooks like something generic off a supermarket shelf, you're definitely not alone. And honestly, that's exactly why this pan caught my attention. Today, we're taking a close look at the Mauviel M'Elite 5-ply hammered polished stainless steel paella pan, a high-end French-made cookware piece designed for home cooks who want professional-level performance without turning their kitchen into a restaurant setup. This is a premium paella pan with a 5-layer construction, hammered polish finish, and full induction compatibility. On paper, it sounds impressive, but the real question is whether it actually makes cooking easier and better in everyday use. You can find the direct link to this product right in the description. The first thing you notice is the craftsmanship. This pan feels substantial without being ridiculously heavy, and it has that solid, confidence-inspiring feel you expect from premium cookware. The hammered stainless steel finish gives it a really refined look without feeling overly flashy. It's the kind of pan that looks great hanging in a kitchen, but still feels built for serious cooking. The cast stainless steel handles stay surprisingly cool during normal stovetop use, which is something you appreciate quickly when moving a large pan around. What really matters, though, is how it cooks. The 5-layer construction combines stainless steel with multiple aluminum layers inside, and you can genuinely feel the difference during cooking. Heat spreads evenly across the surface instead of concentrating in one hot spot. That's especially important for paella, because uneven heat can completely ruin the texture of the rice. Even beyond paella, this pan handles seafood, vegetables, and larger one-pan meals really well. One thing I noticed immediately is how responsive it feels. It heats up fast, but it also reacts quickly when you lower the temperature. That level of control makes cooking less stressful, especially if you're used to cheaper pans that stay scorching hot forever. On induction cooktops, performance is excellent, but it also works perfectly on gas and electric ranges. It's oven-safe too, which gives it more flexibility than many standard paella pans. Now, this is not a non-stick pan, and that's important to understand before buying it. You do need proper heat management and a bit of cooking oil to get the best experience. But once you learn how it behaves, cleanup honestly isn't bad at all. Because the heating is so even, food tends to cook more consistently instead of burning in patches. Hand washing is recommended, and for cookware at this price point, that's pretty normal. There are a few downsides worth mentioning. First, the price. This is absolutely premium cookware, and it costs significantly more than entry-level stainless steel pans. If you only cook occasionally or just need a casual weeknight pan, this may honestly be more than you need. Also, because of the excellent heat conductivity, you can't really blast this thing at maximum heat the way some people do with cheaper cookware. Mauviel actually recommends using medium-level heat settings, and after testing it, that advice makes sense. Compared to other premium cookware brands like All-Clad or De Meyer, the Mauviel M'Elite stands out more for its responsiveness and craftsmanship than for flashy features. The hammered finish gives it a more artisanal feel, and the induction performance is genuinely excellent. Some competitors may offer dishwasher-safe convenience, but this pan feels more refined overall in actual cooking performance. At the end of the day, this is a cookware piece for people who genuinely enjoy cooking and want something that feels precise, durable, and rewarding to use long-term. It's especially great for home chefs who cook rice dishes, seafood, or larger family-style meals regularly. If you want convenience above everything else, there are cheaper and simpler options out there. But if cooking is something you actually care about, this pan absolutely delivers a premium experience that feels different from ordinary cookware. If you enjoyed this review, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel for more honest cookware and kitchen gear reviews, and check out the link in the description if you want to learn more about the Mauviel M'Elite. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.